How to change capital letter to lowercase letter in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word application, and you can see we have some text example here, which all text in capitalize. So this is uppercase, so we need to make it the small lowercase text. Okay, so what you need to do, just select the text first. Okay, now come to the home tab. Under the home tab you need to go in this option font. Under the font we can see the option called what is okay, change case. Okay, so we are make to change from upper to lowercase. So just click on this down arrow, and here you can see the option called lowercase. You can see the all text has been converted in lowercase, and if you want to keep the first letter capital and rest of small, then you can use this option. And you can see the first letter has been changed in capital and rest of small. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.